Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Good morning, Raga.
Good morning.
It's the first time on your program.
Wonderful. And that's why we make Wednesdays kind of look a bit free and thing. And welcome to the family, darling.
Yeah, may I tell you, say, Raga, I have a friend.
Yeah.
Every time my boyfriend come from foreign and I'm go back up, she pregnant. And every time when them come back, she lose the belly. And every time I go up and say the 20 grand, because she got doctor and she have low womb. And she lose the belly, she go there.
Okay, so every time our boyfriend come from Franco look for her and gone up back, she pregnant.
She pregnant. And every time when him come back in the same year,
yeah,
she go lose the belly.
She lose the belly.
Her womb low.
Because them say her womb low.
The 20 grand, she go doctor go fix up herself.
Okay, but 20 grand Jamaican or US?
Well, I think a Jamaican, because like sometimes I say, I don't believe in her. She say, yeah, man, doctor say my womb low. So I don't know.
And where you say nothing no go so?
Nothing no go so, but she every time I come out like 2 times for the year. In the early part, him come out.
Yeah.
Time for reach up, so my pregnant be. Every year she pregnant, but she good do Raga.
I tell you that the pregnant can and the baby can them.
The pregnant can Raga, it's how I eat a carry Jamaica.
I eat around Jamaica, yeah. Right? Enough woman sit down and say, you're lucky Raga, if I never the pregnant can them won't eat food.
Me have some girlfriend Raga, all them have man pay light bill, water bill, and everything. For them rent, I pay all 3 times for the month.
3 times for the month? Because I have 3 different men pay the rent, don't? Regular thing that.
My girlfriend, I tell me, say, she just tell a man, say, today her birthday, and she born December.
And at December she born?
And she born December, and I say, she I'm a birthday today in a long time, I don't hear from her, because she well broke and she don't have no money.
Hey, you have some of my man, them have a birthday every month. And some of them, you see, them have a birthday every month, and the date every month is the 25th. Ph.D, baby, Ph.D. What a coincidence, see? You know, your Ph.D fall right from my birthday.
You have some man out there, them cold, Raga, and come like me get them for the friend.
Yeah.
Them cold, man. All when them light, no cut off baby reconnection fee for the light.
For real? All them things that them can?
Them got court, because the landlord carry them got court.
Court? A be a crisis I reach you. I reach a man them down. I saw the woman them drop it. No, your friend them.
I saw my friend them deal with it anyway. My boss just pass at the front desk.
Well, but me ask you something quick before you go ahead, though. You tell me about your friend them I do all of them. So you never do none yet?
No, Raga, I look good. So them always say, Samantha, so what you do? Because my bottom big. So them say, Samantha, what you do?
Uh-huh. When you say you look good because your bottom big, you're saying that you looking good is focused on your bottom, right?
Yeah.
Well, you have a sexy, irresistible.
It's a whole access that through the bottom might I did it, I say. So what you do? Man, somebody do nothing, I'm afraid, man, I don't know if you do.
Oh, but most of the time, men attracted to you because of your bottom, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, it's proper. And do you wear clothes for accent?
No.
No, you don't wear some tight jeans to hug up your bottom, and something?
Yeah, we wear tight jeans, but like the skirt and the stuff, man, I really.
You don't really do that. But man always I look you because of how your bottom stay, don't?
Yeah, man.
And things. So you are saying you have to con them because of how you look good.
Yeah, man, I have to tell them nothing.
Them just offer them money anyway, don't? I think I saw it set up.
Man, I have to set up.
So you never run a con yet in your life?
Yeah. Oh, God, come on.
Tell me like a con where you run. Now. Give me an idea, sir. Give me an idea one of the con them. What the wickedest con you ever run?
Con.
Yeah.
Like my sick and for good doctor.
Oh, sick and for good doctor, money send on.
But I know, I tell a little life still.
Okay.
Good on the life still.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, man, I know a girl, she get a prescription and 4 people pay for fill it. I know a friend of mine, she get a prescription and 4 people pay for fill it.
Yeah, man, and sometimes when they get out some tickets, they get out some trip something, all 5 man buy all them.
5 man buy the ticket, and each one of them think of them buy the ticket, no?
Hey, Raga, I have a boyfriend for 6 years and him think him straight out.
Him what?
Just have him for my little finger.
You have a boyfriend for 6 years and him thinks say what?
Him and Mr. Right, but just have him for my little finger. But everything good.
You just have him for your little finger for 6 years now, and him just think it's just all about him for the 6 years.
Yeah, him just feel say.
Like nothing never go on. Him just swear for you say you're angel.
Him know say me an angel. But just have him for my little finger, in and out.
Just have him. So when him never like suspect anything and or go on anywhere or anytime.
Sometimes we say, Samantha, you move say you don't come. I'm tired, I'm stressed out because you work and everything, you know.
Okay, and you just fix him up
but
and
just have him for start relationship and done relationship.
So if him ever go on like him want hype now, like what you do for like bring him back in or just what kind of sweet thing they do or
No, I don't know, but me different when they come out to the relationship. You know, me always put them on a level. Me run my relationship them, and them run me.
you run your relationship,
Yeah.
no man no run your
No man no
relationship.
run my
And you run your
Me
relationship.
run my yard and everything. Them no run nothing.
And in running your relationship, you might make them think say them around the relationship.
Me run it. And if you come check me, I have to come for you show for my yard.
No man nothing just come pop up on your yard them.
Pop up on my yard.
So even if you and a man they out, even if you're a man where you're there for 6 years now.
Know somebody out, and if him say me I come check it tonight.
Him have a car.
If 9 o'clock, him say, man, if 9 o'clock, and if 9 o'clock come, I'm phone and I'm
hold on. You're there with a man here 6 years now, and him can't just come at your yard, so him have to call before.
Yard, so.
My girl, you think you're easy?
Man, I get coward, you know, Raga. Yes, your time serious, man, I get coward, you know.
Man, I get coward, what you mean?
Him no want pop up on him, pop up in good, go see our next man, and if he's something goodly go down.
No, if me think that, me want pop up and see the next man.
Boy, I'm not, him tell him not come, if he may even come to the tour, Raga.
No, but tell me something now. You respect them man, you know, like,
no,
I mean.
Him did it.
Him just did it for you, and that is what you need from him, right?
Well, him did it, Raga. If him show up, if him not show up, everything good for you.
No, what me I say, help me understand this though, but basically say you run your relationship, or you run the man, them and thing like that and so forth. But what me I say is, at the end of the day, you respect a man who you can have so weak for years like that. I mean, that is the type of man you attracted to?
Well, all right, I never really, in the case where I love anybody, like love and I can't do without.
Oh.
I don't know, I just spirit take. I'm not really in a relationship with a man and go say, boy, babe, you know, I don't want you left me, I don't want nobody stick on for me, I don't want nobody for love me.
Okay.
But just cut and go through and play it safe.
Real quickly, do you think, a lot of people said that in general, that is how a big part of our relationships have changed in Jamaica over the years. Nobody not fall no deep in love again. No woman not sit down in the house like them a furniture and talk. But my husband and I not do.
No.
When you say woman change now.
Yeah, woman change. Woman have no time for sit down and wait for you. I want to hear.
You see it.
People, and if woman don't have no time for that, and if you feel like you want to play a fool of yourself, go on.
You see it. A different thing, you know.
A different thing, no. And if you feel like you're not let her fight, a woman just make it know say you for go on.
Step.
And when you start out to say if you can come back if you want. And a woman now beg you to come back because she knows she got a different thing I want.
You're not dead over another one man or anything.
Yeah, you have some little fool boy Raga things say I go dead over them. I want to them.
You see it.
More time you call me and say, baby, if you don't want to come back, I could, you know.
You see it.
You're good like that and worse if you're good looking Raga. I want to them.
I see it. If you have it like that, you're not gonna itch up back on a boy.
Raga, I don't close it, me look good in Raga. I'm not wear name brand.
You know wear name brand?
I ever look good.
You make name brand look good, don't it?
Raga, me make clothes look good, Raga. Me no wear, and every style will come in my wear. And when I go party, I'm a friend, I'm buy name brand. I'm not buy nothing.
You don't have to buy name brand.
You don't have to buy nothing, Raga.
You can wear flower bag and still look good, don't it?
Because I don't shape out like that. I'm born with it.
Skip. Whoa! My girl, if you know I saw it stay, man. I saw it stay. So you know, not fall in love and dead over thing. Eh?
Talk sure.
You know, in fall. Who that attack to you?
Talk sure.
Who that attack?
Hello?
Yeah, man. Who this?
Huh?
Yeah, man. Who this?
This is Charlene.
Charlene, what happened?
Nothing much.
Where you up to, Charlene?
Me there.
Where you blow, so Charlene? Where you come off?
I just walked the stairs.
You just walk? Yeah, okay, you come off of the stairs and things. So, what go on now? Or you stay here now?
How am I?
Yeah, or you stay. You know, just a reason with the party a while ago and she show me say things change with woman now. No, itch up thing back a man. I fall in love and I dead over man.
You're mad at so much man there road.
And so much man there road. So what you say? You just a deal with it out there. If a boy a misbehave, you just move on to a next man, don't?
Straight.
I think. But I true say you can't have the man them like idiot too.
If you can't have man like idiot?
Yeah.
Someone like idiot, but we don't want to bash them too much for them stop giving.
Oh. Charlie say, well, someone that idiot, but be careful, we don't want to bash them too much, you know, them go stop gay. So the man, them must just gay. A man for no say if him have a nice girl like him, for just send on the Kyle, don't?
Well, he might help out still. I don't really believe it as giggy, but
okay.
You know, make me ask you because I try to.
Okay, what is your primary role in a relationship? When you're there with a man now, what is the main thing you must provide for the man?
What main thing I should provide for him?
Yeah.
Comfort.
And what that mean? Break down that.
Being there for him, you know, when he want to talk and stuff and Well, I believe in two person coming together and joining. I really don't believe in just giving, the man just giving. So, but if him want give me still, I'm not gonna tell him no.
Oh.
But me personally, that's not my thing.
But it's so like it up on a different level from your party, though.
Yeah, she a money mouse. Me call her.
What's she name? Money Mouse.
Yeah.
She a money mouse. And she don't eat with that. No, she love money.
Yeah, but me I like the whole union thing. But
Okay.
at the same time, I'm not supposed to tell you as my man say, yo, send on a thing, because I need to get me hair done and thing.
I'm supposed to know.
He's supposed to know.
So if him not send it on, you want to more kind of give him a hint and say, boy, my ear feel trashy, so it need
No,
for
man, me not stay so still, but me I just tell him straight, say, yo, what go on, you know. A long time, me not get that thing or whatever. Need to do something. But me not go around it and tell him to me here need feel trashy or whatever.
So from in a union, a man must mind you and take care of you.
Not really mind, but he doesn't know how to play him role.
Okay, so play him role, and his role is to take care of certain responsibility.
There you go.
You ever see yourself a mind a man?
No, you mad?
You're not mind a man at all.
Man, what kind of man?
What if you get a good man, a sensitive, caring, loving man who respect you, who never beat you, and you know just sort you out and everything. And the only thing is that the money not really too strong for him. And thing, you're a good man, the greatest man ever. Thing. You wanna take him up and mind him?
You mad?
You know mind no man. What that? Where you say after the donkey in your
bite me.
Where you say the tree now in your face?
Yeah, there you go.
What you tell, is that you know, as far as you're concerned, is that shame for like mine, man?
Is that shame?
Yeah, you know some woman say no.
Me think that's shame. I think the man them for shame too.
The man them for shame. If a man have a woman,
if a man take money from a woman just like that, it's not like you have a one-off day when you need some money. But if you just take money from a woman, so you're supposed to feel bad.
Then why the woman them not feel bad when they take the money from the man?
Woman.
So woman, I saw it set up from creation.
Yeah.
From God make Adam and Eve. God say, Adam, the reason why I make you better mind Eve.
I give her some money.
I give her some money. All right, Eve, I go eat the apple and left you.
Right.
I could have that make Eve and left. I'll do plum sugar. What? But you know. All right, Charlie. Blessings and respect here.
Yeah, man, all right.
Yeah, man, protection.
Yeah.
I love that reason. That one, like you think. Let me use it. Yeah. Hello?
Raga.
Yeah.
I say, one time this guy come look for me on New Kingston work and him carry 5 bills, come give me for buy lunch. I'm give him back and tell him say 1,000 and for make on New Kingston. I want to them.
It's me next side.
You can't take $500 on New Kingston to buy lunch. It has to be 1,015 off.
What you say? It have to be 1,015 and go up.
And New Kingston, this now when you're going to when you're going on Cuddies and them places, you have to pay for.
So why you go Cuddies? Why you couldn't go by the 5-star Chinese restaurant?
Why you not easy on New Kingston with them?
They're not in a New Kingston that the restaurant there. Eh?
I want to go make me pay for the air condition and them place. Them man I give me 500.
Well, the point me I make is why you have to go Cuddies? Why you have to go Christopher's? Why you have to go them place? Why you can't go to Chinese 5-star restaurant? Eh? You don't eat Burger King and KFC and Wendy's. And look, you have a look man who sell food cross the road from Jamrat. Jamrat lockdown now.
Yeah,
good food.
I work with him in the morning.
From the look, you know the van when me attack. You know the van when me attack in my pocket.
The van come used to work with him in the morning. Some morning work with him.
Okay. So, but you say I just principle a man can't say my get lunch money and give a nanny.
For the put money there, you could have work with it. But a New Kingston there, my man can't get 5 bills.
If you there New Kingston, a man I get 5 bills.
5 bills to buy lunch,
I insult him, I insult you. I slackness that.
Me tell one of them someone some money for pay my bills. Him tell me say I have 8 grand and then give me 4. Me give it back and tell me say I insult me. Me say can't insult me like that.
Hold on. The man tell you say I have 8 grand.
Him give me 4 out of the 8. Me say you can't
him have 8
like
and him give you 4 out of the 8 and you say.
But tell him say insult him, I insult me.
So hold on. So how much you want if the man have 8 grand and him give you 4 and you give him back? How much you did want?
Him should give me to that Raga 5.
How much?
Him should give me to that a 5.
So he must make sure him give you more and left himself with less.
Raga, when him go to left, he don't go on the road, go give a girl a whole lot of the 4 there, you know.
Oh, so that is your concern that the other 4 might just give her. God forbid he might want it for himself, right? He might just go give her next woman, don't it?
Raga, him say my bashment old man, my name brand old man, and him have it locked like that.
Okay, so if him a hype like that,
yes,
if he pay feet like that.
You must show your hype and stop move them way there.
But tell me something, at some point, enough of them man, they must send on more money if certain things start out. You good like that?
No, oh God, me no good them way there. That's my problem. But me I work on it, Raga.
Weird. You not good them way there?
No, me no good them way there.
You not bad them way there?
No, me no bad them way there, Raga.
You can't make man talk in a tongues and them
No,
something.
Raga. No, you see, once him go there, him a talk in a tongues, but me no them freak up on them sitting there. Me no active.
Oh, you not have them skill?
Yeah, me no that active.
Well,
You see, once
let me just ask you straight, auntie. You lay down dead?
Turn back and take time move your foot there, man.
Oh.
But you see once, Raga, you see once him touch, you see once him just touch. You know, like when you're a plunger, you put it up on the wall and you just grab it.
Do it. Pull up.
The last time.
What you say? Want it to like the plunger, just grab it.
Yeah.
What you say? Are you that, no?
I'm me that.
Are you that? And you don't even have to make no effort for it.
Then it me
You know what some woman call it? Natural glue.
That me not so active.
Oh.
Because once them go there, them I be a mad. This me not have to move. Sometimes all the finger, Raga.
But so basically you're seeing things speak for itself, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm finger, Raga, and he must squeeze it again.
Okay. Big up the Broadcast Commission. Big up the Broadcast Commission. Big up the Broadcast Commission. And things. So, I mean, even finger them have problem more time.
Raga.
I saw you proper.
Raga.
A vice grip that, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, you're the original Henkel glue. You know that. You're not even Ponal glue. You're Henkel glue.
Raga, you must say lick your finger again, because me feel it.
Wait, what?
You must say me squeeze the finger again. You must say me feel that, babe.
I feel it. I saw your state. So basically, you're not kill up yourself.
No, sir. I must see me lame, sir.
No, but because you just have that gift there.
Yeah,
God bless you that way there. So once a man step through the door there, the room does feel good.
All right.
Him no want come out of the room there.
All right.
Don't it? All right, and thing.
Good them with it. But the first time I call him, I always see your program. Every time I come out, I have to listen to your program.
Cool. Your friend named Charlene. What you name now? What you name now? You have to say your name if you know what I say.
Samantha.
Oh, yeah, Samantha, you didn't mention.
But I always try to call him and I get you. I just love it still. But Raga, I love your program. I love you. You're cool. I love how you talk. You still have.
You see it?
Trust me. No worry yourself. You have it. You have a whole Jamaica lock.
Blessings to them feedback.
Your name can't change.
My respect. My respect.
Them can't stop you.
My respect, yeah?
Even if you're not upon the radio, we still love you. What happened to them, Raga?
Cool, man. Manners and respect. Yeah, thanks for that. Yeah?
Care.
Yo,
right.
Now watch that, man. You're your friend Papwe.
Yeah,
blessing.
All
right.
Listening. I will love you.
Every time, baby.
Right.
Every time.
Take care.
Yo, them vibes, Yo, welcome back up in our same thing. Hey, I just Samantha we need to talk about. Samantha, you have the newsroom week. Everybody still, people just run back your talk, them Samantha. You're good like that. What we say? Welcome back to our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly. What Samantha said, she had a plunge. Even if you know what. Hey, big up all of the woman them out there who know say you're a plunger, saying when you go say boom, and sucker, no leg on that one. So I tell you easy. So I say if you have $8,000, what she say? If you get the man, if you get either 5,000 or 5,500. How she get the 5,500 come in? Them specifics there. She said 5,000 or 5,500. You can imagine. A woman said, how much money you have? $8,000. Okay, give me 5,500. No less. Come understand yourself, man. You know what my name? I'm Indian plunger. Give me the money. My God. Samantha, you mash out the place in the body there. Hey.
Good morning, Ragashanti.
Uh-huh.
This is Jam from Lennox Big Woods.
From where?
Lennox Big Woods in Darliston, Westmoreland.
What name?
Lennox Big Woods.
No, I'm not here. What is the name of that place?
Lennox Big Woods.
What is the first word?
Lennox, Lennox.
Lennox, okay.
Yes.
And what is the second word?
Big Woods.
Big Woods.
Big Woods.
Big
Bigwoods.
The place really names of it too?
Yeah.
It named Lennox Big Woods.
Big Woods.
More than one word?
Yes.
Woods. Jesus, then somebody they leave the name Lennox and start the town and just call it so.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Yeah, a joke can't make her so the place really named.
No, man, serious. You
The-
never heard of it?
No, the place in Westmoreland near Lennox Big Woods. My God. Anyway, so how you do, darling?
I'm all right. I've been listening to your program for some years now,
Uh-huh.
and I just call you. But I listen to you every day. You make my day.
All right.
Every day I laugh, and I sometimes I'm feeling down, and you bring me up. You know.
Wonderful.
So I just call to tell you to keep up your good work.
Well, thank you.
I really enjoy your program. Every day I listen to it.
Thank you for those kind words. And I want you to know that and in the mornings when I come in here, that is one of the reasons that motivate me, because I know the program brings joy and cheer to people. I know a whole heap of stress out there in Jamaica, you know?
Yes.
And
yes.
that, you know, the program represents a relief for a lot of people and so forth. And so I come here and say, God, give me that gift. And this is the contribution I can make to make people laugh and enjoy themselves and relax and get rid of a little stress and tension, you know?
Yes. Raga, last night I saw you on TV and I called my daughter and said, I called her name and said, come to my husband here.
all right.
Oh, boy.
Yeah,
Raga,
man, big
we
up the
love
comedy
you
bus
here.
crew. Yeah, man.
Yes, okay. So you take care.
Yeah, man, you take care. Yeah, and thanks for those kind words. Really do appreciate them.
Okay, bye-bye.
All righty then. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Morning, Raga.
Morning.
You're like therapy to me.
I'm like what?
Therapy.
Therapy.
Therapy, yes.
All right. Good.
I have two for you. Okay. The
Yeah.
first con.
Yeah.
My girlfriend went to a Western Union in Utrecht.
Uh-huh.
So she said when she went inside, she saw this man supposedly this the security guard
Yeah.
straightening the persons in the line, like go up, straighten, no bend here. So she was like, the security here, I'm a work man. So when this elderly lady got up to the front of the line, he assisted her with her cane.
Uh-huh.
So the lady got through and she left. But my friend, because of some mishap, she had to stay in the office for a little while.
Mm-hmm.
So no sooner the old lady got through and she came back. So the same security guard came back with her and he gestured to her to have a seat. So he went up to the cashier and said something to the cashier and then he left. At about 2 o'clock in the evening, the old lady was still there. So she went up to the cashier and she said, what happened to my money? So the cashier said, money? What money? She said, me leave and me go down to the supermarket down the road and the security come and tell me, so me get the cashier say I get the wrong money. So I must give him back the money and come with him back to the office. By this time, she picked up a few groceries and was about to pay for them. But because he said she got back the wrong money, she had to put them back.
Mm-hmm.
When she got into the place, he said, have a seat, and went to the cashier, said something. But by this now, the cashier said he asked her another question about some other transaction about pounds.
Oh.
So she said, the money. She said, no, we didn't talk about money. So apparently the man pretended as if he was a security guard working in Western Union, traced the woman to where she was in the supermarket, took the money, and conned her out to the thing and left.
Wait, my God. And is that elderly woman?
Elderly woman, yeah.
Oh, Lord. That is terrible, man.
So she left that.
Yeah, man.
She lost that.
Boy. Yeah,
My
but,
daddy, he was on his way to work one morning. So this guy see him with a tin of cheese. So he said, big man, you want to know something late? And you want me take the cheese from the boss out of the supermarket still, you know. But we can't go back in there. But we sell it for half price. Just help me out, because you know, say if me carry it in, he might go fire me. So my father now, with him sympathetic self, decided to help him out and buy the cheese. So when he went to work with the cheese, him co-workers them say, then
She can't cut up the cheese man and give you piece and I say ease to make everybody feel good now. He said, no man, I carry it home to my family. And then Papa can carry back piece of morning. Raga. You see, when my father bust the cheese, he's a tin of dirt. Man, we spread out in the place. We pop down in the house. My father said, no, don't tell nobody. If you bite it at the first place.
So wait, a beer dirt, but the thing seal up good like a cheese.
It look like real cheese, man.
And feel like the thing clean and everything and neat up.
Clean up, nice.
And how much your father pay for it again?
$600 at the time.
Oh my God.
So, you know fun that we call him 600.
What do you call him?
600.
600. Why the car never run out there? All right.
Take care.
You have a respect for them there, yeah.
Okay, Raga.
Samantha says she not have to do nothing. She not good in bed or anything. But her architecture is such that, you know, it is very shall we say arresting. Plunger lady them. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. What is the biggest con you have ever experienced? What is the biggest ginalship you have ever experienced or witnessed? Good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm calling to tell you that your show sell off, and Samantha, she really have the show going this morning. Believe you me.
She have your week this man, you laugh, no?
Tell you, man, I can't stop laugh.
May I tell you, say she pop where?
Man, oh God.
May I tell you for real, she have a week, man. Samantha full of lyrics, man.
She good, man. You can't give her that credit because she's really good.
You see it.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Raga.
Yeah.
Yes, so what the man them, some of them just definitely fool. Them don't know better.
Some of the man them just definitely fool. What make you say so?
Eh?
What make you say so? Some man are idiot, you say, right?
Yeah.
Why? How so?
Because them we want a woman and the woman promise them words off and words yes. Say, because me know this guy, about 5 years, me know him. Every time he see me, I tell him, say, your time soon come. And I him at the same time soon come. Every time he see me, buy him lunch and this and that, and still I wait.
So I must spend the money on you and I give him things for 5 years now. And you have him weak and nothing around yet, don't?
No.
And all you do is tell him, say, your time soon come and something soon.
He respect how me move.
Him rate you and respect how you move, so you just go and take him things, don't?
Hey, man, I never asked him for it.
Him just a give you and you just take it. Okay, so if I remember give you a theme business that a theme choice that, don't it? Okay, so what you say, am I idiot then? If you think say I'm going to get something in this 5 years and nothing I run and still I give him things, don't it?
Tell him where I go, so if he have it in my mind, say I wait for it, well, we can't do nothing about that.
No, but you say you tell him say theme time soon come.
I don't me tell him here, me tell him, so when I theme time.
You see it?
Theme time yet.
I know theme time yet. And theme time now go come.
Me don't know.
What you say you don't know? You know
no,
something
could... theme time I go come, because I tell him so.
You just tell him
so.
So what you tell? So you could all give him a green light in our future, don't? You could have given him the green light in our future, don't?
Me don't know. Me tell him the theme time would soon come. Me don't know what can happen, don't it?
All right then, baby. Bless up here.
All right, man.
Yeah, man. Take care. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, man. Talk up louder.
Me have to talk up louder. Me can't talk louder now because me in the bathroom and me don't want my boss hear me.
Okay. Anyway.
If you ever hear me, that pop up in there.
You see it.
So, ain't no way, man, into you.
Yes, yeah.
It's my birth month.
Your birth month?
Yes, man, from the 1st of November to the last of November, my birthday.
Are your birthday?
Yes, man.
So, when you really born?
The 2nd.
The 2nd?
Of November.
But you said the whole of November your birthday?
Yes, man, and enough me month.
So, things will go to you for the whole of the month if you get just present the whole month, don't?
Then, no man.
So, you not have birthday, you have birth month?
Yes, man, I'm here thing about you know. And not even get my happy birthday.
You don't get a happy birthday?
Not one.
Then how you live bad with people, so?
And I say, leave body no. Them just not remember me.
Them just not remember you.
Mm-mm.
Then what make
me
you?
not really have nobody right now.
Then well on. You know, so wait, you know, it look like you don't have to forget me, nah?
No man.
Eh?
The second Samantha. We are
Your second Samantha. Boop. Why you say you're straight plunger to, no?
Same so.
Wait, I just say you're proper. You sure?
Me sure
Then what on
good
then?
like that.
Oh, you sure say you're good like that and you stay them ready. A man no member you. Eh? A man no member you. That no make sense.
And I said no member.
What?
And I said no member, you know, because they were supposed to get and then they were the federal, so therefore me lock off.
Oh, sharp lock.
And I do them thing them proper, so me lock sharp.
You lock sharp.
Uh-huh.
Okay. But when I say Samantha sound like she a girl who not want me shop, but things still run. A man remember her birthday and ray.
Well, make them remember it, you know, sometimes I never want nobody bother me neither.
Okay, me understand them way the baby.
Sometimes I really want nobody bother me. And I say, come me not have it tired that in a ragga, but sometimes I don't want nobody bother me.
Yes,
it's just like come sing and disengage and all.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just go on easy, you know.
Cool now, baby.
Just go on easy.
All right.
So it's also. But anyway, for that thing I know, you know.
Yeah.
Where I don't know.
Hold on, make a quick break and I will come back and tell we here.
If I can't hold on.
All right. Go on, talk. Yeah.
You think you're easy?
No, go on, talk.
Yeah. But therefore, I say I go on a farm work thing, you know.
Yeah.
And I said to all the command, say, you know, so I go on a farm work thing tomorrow. And I deal with it already, you know. And the man I say, well, what I can do, you know. And then I said to him, I want a 5 grand, you know. I want a 5 grand. He said, I have so much money, you know. But yet, he still a look the money for give me, and he said, he say, nah, V. But anyway, I get it now.
Uh-huh.
I get it. The man asked me, then when you gone, how it a go? So I say, oh, you mean how it a go? See him, so I correct normally go. So therefore, I just take the money there, and I not go on the farmer, nothing, you know. I don't want no farmer, I just the money because I look something, and yet still it take too long to give me, and yet still yet, you know, so I have to run for your way.
You see it? So him did get the 5 grand and expect something for run, though.
Exactly.
And you know that.
I'm not going to miss with the $5,000. I don't really money still, but you don't know.
All right then, all right. All right then, bless up here.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, you take care, you careful in that bathroom then.
Yep.
How you sit down?
Yep. I sit down on the toilet seat.
Okay, sit down on the toilet seat, but the toilet seat covered down.
And that when my friend, while we're working, it's supposed to start there. I wonder who attack you now.
Hello, morning, Raga.
Morning.
I calling from Portmore.
From Portmore, all right.
Yeah, me lock on your station, Raga.
Cool now, baby.
Yeah, big up to Samantha.
Yes, Samantha rinse the thing properly this morning, no?
She rinse it. Well, Raga, me get a can, you know.
You get a can, oh?
Yeah, man, a man tell me say he can set a interview up at embassy fast and how me can do it, get a date.
Yeah.
I'm going to buy the visa fee.
Yeah.
Raga, I buy the visa fee for $6,900. I know me can't see that date there.
That date they can't really come out. That date they can't come along.
I know that the date they can't come, Raga. I could have called him until now.
Him not answer phone or nothing.
When he answer, one of his friend they answer, they not give me no talk.
You see it. So what you say? That the 6,900 they gone?
That gone right down the drain, Raga.
Oh, sure, baby. Oh, sure. You ever can anybody?
Yeah, man. Me can enough, man. Me have one man right now when me a can out, Raga.
Oh, you can him? Oh, you can him?
Pay money. He look me from 2005.
From 2005, he look you?
I pay 1510.
1510 what?
1,000 me I get from him.
Hold on. The man I look you from 2005, right?
Never kiss me, not even kiss Raga.
Not even kiss you, right? But him want the work, right?
You want it bad, he love me.
And him a give you like some 15,000 and some 10,000?
Yeah.
And nothing no run yet?
Nothing no run
so
yet.
So how you keep him?
I like him that way, I just want him for my friend.
Okay, but how you keep him in another position there where him still a gay? Like, you obviously not run him, but what you do for keep him right there, so where you not kiss him, you not do nothing, but him feel nice.
Live a country.
Eh?
Tell him to live a country.
You tell him to live a country?
I meet him for the way and collect him money.
And collect the money?
And every day I'm sick.
And every day you're sick? So yeah, so when they make a move now, cause more time him say, "Oh, mother love feel like link you and come over. What you say now?
In come to my house, Raga, I lock up my room and tell me auntie live in another room there. I'm here in my room with my daughter them.
Oh. So and you not gonna give him the green light?
Every time my mind give me, sometimes my mind change. Every time I feel like and then one mind change. Cause you know do what me want, Raga.
What you mean?
You don't know what we are talk, man. Where woman then love, man. He says straight.
Oh. What you say now, kneel down?
No.
He
He must stand up.
He must stand up.
If you don't kneel, man, he done gone through a long time.
So if him not kneel, him not get the green light long
Long. Then
What?
kneel, Raga.
What? So what you say? A regular thing that man have to kneel now forget certain.
Raga, you don't know, say a big thing that man that can run Jamaica right
And that's
now.
around the place right now.
Yeah.
What you say?
Enough you don't see them a lick out against it. Enough man a lick out. Can me have man will lick out against it straight.
Well, you probably want to use a different term just to be accurate with what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
Because I say them nah lick out. If you say use a different.
What kind of which term if you use?
Well, just what I say, if you make the point that the man them nah kneel, you say, yeah, he might go like him, he might lick out, say him nah kneel, then it may get a little bit confusing, because you say lick out and thing. But anyway, so what you say, man for kneel nowadays, don't?
What do you mean then, Raga? Then if they don't kneel, somebody else not gonna kneel?
So, as far as you concerned, it don't make sense to waste your time, give a man a green light if somebody else out there will kneel.
Yeah, Raga, you talk with me, I talk.
Oh, so I be a kneel, I get the green light now.
Yeah, no, really still, but that have to involve some of my time.
That have involved some of my time.
Mm-hmm.
So, what you say? Well, if a man a do it now? No?
Raga, that's a big thing I go and run Jamaica straight.
Enough kneeling a go on now.
Yeah, man, all who lick out against the Raga. Can me talk to man already with just done kneel and then lick out against them friend. Oh, me, hey, me not that,
Well, you talk to, but you know him just done kneel.
Then in a kneel, then I mean him kneel.
Him kneel with you.
Mm-hmm.
And then I lick out against him friend, say him a burn him friend, say, oh, them boy, they do them thing there. And him just give you a proper kneel, no?
And me I talk about top of the top.
Tap kneel.
Me I talk about top, man.
Tap man, you say kneel.
Me not talk about no little down there, man. Me I talk top of the line, man.
Why is a real man will look
Me
like...
talk the real big man.
Real big man, Tuggies and all them man there. Them man they kneel.
Long time.
So enough of them man there where you say they are dancehall and a bun this and that. Enough of them are kneel down.
Well, long time, Raga.
Because you know and I kneel good to do.
Good. And I kneel long time and number one them I go say to you, yeah, first one not true, me love you.
What you say? Anytime them a kneel, them say you're the first one. I true, me love you.
Yeah, no go so.
Not go so. Because them a kneel long time. So, anyway, the next part of that email, Raga, I bought peas in the market downtown a couple of years ago. Raga, when the lady poured out the peas into a plastic bag, I kept saying to myself, it did not look like a pint of peas. Well, I got suspicious and asked to check the can. My God, Raga, the lady had newspaper stuffed in the bottom of the can to take up space. Kiss me next side. Me never hear that one here yet. Dangerous people in the market, be warned. No, that bad, You know, hear the woman I said, because she has the can, So she know a pint. So when the see the can full up now, she has said, boom. The can full up, so I roll her piece that. And boom, she and just and grab the can, and when she look, a beer paper stuff up in the bottom of the can. What? Anyway, she said, stay real, your program seller. A beer things are going on in country, When you not buy the peas or anything, hold the can and look at the bottom first. Make sure nothing not stuff the bottom of the can because, hey, I tell you, some people go like couldn't rate my program, but, I couldn't know where I go on. You can't go
next one, then that one Rasta man.
Yeah.
They might try to him out to get him to sacrifice.
Sacrifice what?
Me as a Rasta sacrifice people are them certain.
A damn foolish is that, man.
That one a real thing, man.
Me say damn foolish is that, man. I don't make nobody time for the Rasta not sacrifice nobody.
Yeah, man, son.
Listen to me now, man.
That's what happened to you, man.
Me say
man.
Where me nearly...
Stream, man, the man not a Rasta again,
Listen to me. They've been stereotyping Rasta, calling Blackheart man for a long time.
I must see them boy, them in the
Hold on, but we move away from that. Nothing no go so. Listen to me, nothing no go so is lie. No Rasta no out there sacrifice nobody. Look at it. Listen to me. All right, here's the part where it don't work. It's a Rasta. A big part of the Rasta way of life, or what them call levity. Them don't believe in dead. So them don't have nothing to do with dead. Them not like dead. So they not go kill them, not sacrifice nobody.
Well, I'm when he reach, tell me. I can find outside that them bringing it for him, take for himself.
Alright, so Rasta bring him for sacrifice him.
I'm bridging good friend, tell him say, yo, me say man my plan to use you in the ceremony today now.
Okay, so them have a look, the Rasta them have them ceremony and them have go. So I'm bringing pigeon, so we am bringing pigeon and say, yo man, you carefully, Rasta them a plan for sacrifice you in a ceremony, don't?
Yeah, me now say I the die to them because I know some man is locks.
Okay.
And them want to and a real Rasta.
So you know that word, yeah, so look straight Rasta out there sacrifice
Rasta
people.
Years, one bag of thing Rasta bleed. So it does certain set up.
Yeah. So you have some man out there with locks calling say Rasta sacrifice people. Okay. No Rasta now sacrifice nobody out there. We don't make nobody fool, you know. Me don't know if I ain't careless Rasta sacrifice people out there. And even if them a sacrifice somebody, I go see if we can. I would have willing now for what kind of sacrifice. Yes, one parliamentarian deserves to be sacrificed. But we're not calling you. I will have Here we go. I can read that thing and email you. Dear Mr. Stewart, 2 years ago, my best friend met a guy from America who was loaded and wanted a family. She got him in bed one time, and a couple days after, she told him that a lizard jumped on her, and that's a sign of pregnancy. He said, boy, that was quick, but you should go to the doctor to make sure. She went to the clinic and bought someone's pregnancy test for $500 and showed him, and he was very excited. Long story short, he went back to America, sent her $200 US every week. He was supposed to come back and marry her when she starts showing. Because she wasn't pregnant, she called him 1 week before he was supposed to come back to marry her and told her that she was painting her room and fell off the ladder and lost the baby. Till this day, he has no idea that it was a scam, and they are both in America now, married. Poor him, he married a Ginal and they're foreign and don't even know. Here we go, top of the morning to you, hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
You see the cardboard in the measuring cup thing?
Yeah.
That's a common thing. For prop up the something.
We're not Mary.
No, listen, Raga, it's low and I had to turn it up to ear when you come on and forget to turn it up.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I turn it up. You know me not do that, man. I don't want to hear my voice that much.
Yes.
Yeah. Raga, yeah, the cardboard in the measuring cup thing?
Yeah.
That's not new.
A long time thing them do.
That's a common thing in our curry, please.
When you say curry, you mean coronation market and market, right? That's what you mean?
Common thing, a market thing. The Israel them was Caesar. That's a common thing. You know what? As another thing too.
Yeah.
Wet up saltfish.
What them do?
Wet up saltfish.
Feet way heavier.
So when you go buy your little quarter pound of saltfish in the wood, instead I get 4 ounces, you get 2.
Okay.
You know?
Okay, so when you wet up the saltfish, it's heavier.
Yeah, it's heavier.
Okay.
I tell you, confession, my auntie used to keep a shop.
Yeah.
I remember me a little bit. Every night, me used to see my cousin wet up, sprinkle water upon the saltfish and cover it over with crocus bag. I'm never know what they do for.
Okay.
And them still do because more time when more people cook and if you want to look a piece of fish and run one the corner place, when you get the saltfish.
So when you buy saltfish for dry?
It's for dry.
Okay.
Saltfish damp and all are broke up.
All right.
Because them wet it up. But me get can one time when me young. Me get can 2 times. But this one, the other day since me older, and when me young, Raga, my mother give me my independence money, you know.
Yeah.
I go a town for go buy me independence good. That time I live at Alman town. See this boy I ride on a motorcycle. Stop. And it was school time. Ask me if I want a holiday work. You know, yes. When you take a stock, Raga, him tell me say him can carry me run up Kingston yard, me have to walk up from this baby. Kingston yard, me where? Thing they say, I carry me a banana board. Raga, him carry me out a banana board on a Kingston garden. And some other conversation, him ask me if I have any money. Me, stupid Raga, say yes. Him say, give him the money cause him have to go in and go talk to somebody. Raga, him have a brown envelope a ride on him bike to, you know. Go in the place in some office on a Kingston garden. Raga and say, stand up and wait all now. When me go to the people, them and ask them if somebody, the boy just go in there, come out, that time I don't know what kind of time I say, wait, they say the people that come out, come call me.
I'll know you are waiting.
I'll know.
Don't worry, you soon get the job.
Me know. Rather, this is how many kids later and grandkids. I'll know me I wait for the job. It's late. Tomorrow I call and tell about the next one.
All right, then bless up here. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes, morning. First time on your program.
Welcome to the family.
Well, actually, my boss introduced me
Your boss?
to you. Yes, and it's the worst thing he's ever done because I don't get anything done all morning. And right now, I'm just peeping to see if he's coming through the door.
All right.
All right. You were talking about Con, and I didn't catch this girl, Samantha. I didn't hear when she was on air because I was around the back doing some work. But I think it has something to do with conning of some man or something.
Well, yeah, kind of. But we kind of went into other areas, and she was just talking about generally how she deal with men and things. So it was interesting.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Well, I have a little story of my own.
Quickly, a minute, yeah?
There was this man, he's living in my community, but he's an older man.
Yeah.
I had my boyfriend, but we kind of just broke up. It was like before Valentine's Day of last year. And I met him, and he told me that he liked me and all that. So he gave me money to go to the hairdresser and get my nails done and all that for Valentine's Day. And I went and I did all of that. And every time I call him or whatever, he just keep on giving me some money for money. And
like how much money, sir?
Like sometimes 10,000, 20,000. Even last night I see him. When I look in his wallet, he have $1,050 in there. And some silver. I just take out the $1,050 out there. I left him with the silver.
I left him with the silver?
Yes, because he might give me some, I take it.
So yeah, take it.
I mean,
and nothing to run yet.
Girl, you know, I'm a young girl and I have to save up to buy my house and all of that. And if I can't get the money, it's not taking it from me. Him giving it to me.
He might give it to you.
So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in the bank.
You put it in the bank?
Of course, I'll put it up.
So if him can be, if him can, so he might give the money thing, say you go run and look at thing for him, don't?
Yes.
And what you say, you nah run nothing.
Him and me type. You see, if me not like it from the get-go, you definitely can't
you nah do nothing with it.
But you know, I them little man there, where you can't just rub his head 2 times and manipulate him.
And then money send her, rub him head 2 times and you get, and him send her all 20,000 though.
You look good enough, man, like I want you away. Even if you not do nothing with him, he just want to have it for show up. He's showing friend themselves.
Yeah, man, you have enough of them pay for company, you know. Enough of them just pay for company, them lucky. Right, anyway, short me back here.
As in trophy girl, him have to pay.
Him have to pay. Cool, no, talk up the things. Yes, anyway, well, you have to short me back here.
Yeah, man, all
right. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show. With me, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti. Yo, Samantha mashed up the place yesterday, you know, Reggie. Road, Samantha. Hey, I beer Samantha talked up on the road yesterday, you know. Trust me, man. Mash up the place. So I want to say big up to all of the plunger woman, them. And if you never listened to the show yesterday, you have no idea what we're talking about. But if you did listen to the show yesterday, you're laughing right now, okay? All plunger ladies out. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Well, I'm there while I'm juggling and strength.
This is my first time calling and I'm telling you. I have a writ against you, know.
You have a writ against me?
Of course.
What am I do now, baby?
Yesterday after me, I wait must say an hour to talk to you. I can't get through to you, so I just lock off my radio. Yeah, man. Lock off my radio. But anyway, when I call to tell you, me get a candy.
Yeah.
From a man. Mm-hmm. Me I tell you, sir, that can I'll know about a year now. I'm still not get over it.
Talk to me about it. Tell me the things, them.
I meet a guy, right?
Yeah.
And me and him go out and think, nice guy, no. And you know when I ask them, Maria, if them have girl, the first thing I come out of them mouth and no. So one day him girl go call me. I got nearly pissed off myself coming and I know if I tell the woman so when time I hear so the man married.
Wait. Is a wife call you?
Yes.
And when she call you, what she say?
She, hello? what are you and Mr. So-and-so in? So me with my bride self gonna own him up. And I tell him everything, don't laugh.
Wait, I start tell her everything?
Tell her every single thing.
No, but you know, should I know the code, man? Once a woman call her,
me if you know, me think I'm my man.
No, but once a woman, even if I hear her, man, you have to watch your back them here, you know. Once a woman call you and them here, you know, start just a rinse out there. But anyway, go on, ta.
All right, so, you know what? She not stop calling my phone. So one day I'm call him up and I say, you know what, baby? I'm going to look out for some nice dinner for you. And I invite him at my house and everything, candle light and lingerie and everything. Then white people business there?
No, that's not a white people.
No, man.
What you mean white people
business?
No, man. Our thing that too. No, no.
Our thing that too?
Yes, man. Our thing that too, you know. Black people are very romantic, you know.
Well.
Yeah, man.
Well, I was romantic that evening.
All right. So lingerie, lingerie. What kind of lingerie did I wear?
It was a red lingerie.
Red
Victoria's Secret thing. I got all out.
Vicky. So I don't know, look at cheap, pia thing. So Vicky, top and bottom match type of thing?
Of course.
Was it lace or just...
The shoes and everything.
Yeah, the shoes to match too?
The little bunny hat, the little bunny head cover, everything.
So wait, a straight play girl thing you did that run?
Of course.
All right, so you have on the little bunny hat now, and you have on the shoes. I hope there were heels, right?
Huh?
There were heels.
No, I don't wear heels.
No, but you say you have on the shoes and everything.
Yeah, the little slippers.
Oh, just that. A nice, cute little slippers, some match and thing and whatever.
Yes.
You never have on a stocking and garter or anything like.
No.
Oh, just
check
check it. No, because that's what I read that. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
So in come up, I'm a nice him up and man and give me food for eat and everything.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you something. I try something I can't make up forget a little money off him. Guess who got drive up and knock on my door?
Wait, all this was aimed at getting a little money? All this was aimed at getting
Of course, I want to get back at him.
Oh, you want to get back at... Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So I don't know what happened. And the wife come.
She come up at the door?
The wife not
with you in a lingerie?
When me in a lingerie and everything.
And candle and the whole nine there?
Oh, Jesus, Raga.
Then what happened? Hello? Hello? What happened there now? Oh, come on, man. What happened right there? Call back here. Something happened to our phone. I feel she are, you know, because when anything happens on our side, you know what tell you. I wonder what happened. This is awful. You know, when you watch a movie and 10 minutes before it done, something gonna happen, like JP's gonna cut that. Why JP's light always go off in some good movie? Anyway. Oh, this is awful. Anyway, enough of the list of them out there. I said, Cho. Man and woman out there, because some talk you out there. They say, them not miss the show, you know. Hey, you have man who buy guineas. Them say them just buy them guineas a morning, you know. And them say them sit down, you know. And I beer things, you know, them lock it for the show, man. Man say, are you make us start drinking Guinness in the morning time? So we have to drink Guinness in the evening. Some youth over Portmore there. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Carla, rinse back here.
Morning.
Yeah, morning.
Hi, Raga.
Hey, what's
Our
up?
credit done because she never have no money for buying, and she never get for condom man, so she never have no money for buying enough credit.
Yeah, so what I go down? Where you there for that?
Not the funny thing. Raga, tell you about a can I work with. Me call you Friday gone, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, my sister get the fence.
Oh, Zin, yeah.
I'm telling you about a can at my workplace.
Yeah.
You know, the can, Christmas I come up. And the man them come at the place and they say they might change money. And get some money for $100, you change it and then tell them nobody want it. Catch my co-worker, tell them.
What them do?
Come with some money for US. They might change. Like 5,000 per $100.
Yeah.
And them tell them, after you done change and give them a Jamaican dollar, $300,000 for that, them say them nobody want to change it, you must take back the money. And when they give them back the US now and take back your Jamaican, them say, you know what? Give me, it's alright, give me. So them just exchange it with one money with $100 on top, one pound button, pay $1 in the middle. And give back the money there. Same time, exchange the money and push him back the one. They say things that them have time to change it. So you just make them, you give them back your Jamaican and them gone.
Oh, so it's like them. So them come with say $400 US bill, right?
No, them can't have such a little bit, man. They must have enough money.
Like
5,000.
Oh, so them have 5,000 US dollar, right?
Mm-hmm.
And them come for send and change, then them give you.
Yeah.
Then when you check out the Jamaican and I get them, say
give them it. When you're done, give them Jamaican. Them say, this may get. No bother.
No bother.
Yeah, and so you will take it back from them now. Take back your Jamaican.
Yeah, take back your
the Jamaican.
Yeah.
You give them back the US.
Uh-huh.
As you give them the US, them now waiting. As you give them have the next money with the one US $100 on top and the $1 them in the middle. Them just say, you know what? Change it and push it back in, but then don't switch the money.
So they make the switch right there, sir.
Yeah.
But you so already, involved in the transaction, and you just think so you don't see every money where you count already and thing or whatever.
You just take it back.
And when you say somebody get catch that way that you know for a fact?
Yeah, my co-worker get catch and pay back 400,000.
US dollar?
Jamaican.
Oh, Jamaican dollar. You have to pay back 400,000, right? 400,000 Jamaican dollar?
Yeah.
You serious?
Mm-hmm.
And what is that? And there's a place where you want to change money, obviously, right? Okay. And she have to pay $400,000 back?
Yeah. Like them a listen them wicked and I hope one of them lose one of them head and one of them foot on them ears already.
And this happened just recently?
Last year, September.
Yeah.
Evil.
The one the bull. That must mash up your co-worker, eh?
Yeah.
I put her in a debt for a long time. I know she not finished pay it back yet.
No.
That's the thing with the condom, Them necessarily go up because most rich people don't get con,
Mm-mm.
Because them in other position where them do something to get con, you understand? And thing. And it's mostly people who really not have it, them get the con, you see me?
Mm. All right, I'm going to tell you something else.
Yeah.
Oh, duppy something now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, not really duppy still. One girl died recently. Condolence to her family. Them Monday from Sunday, my co-worker friend, she was missing in Old Harbour.
Mm-hmm.
And she say, them couldn't find her Tuesday. Them dream her, must say auntie dream her uncle and tell him say, them kill her and she there in the park over there so. And them find her yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So them say the duffy dream the family, them and make them find the girl.
Oh, saying, what you think?
Me? I don't know, I'm going to tell you something, I don't know nothing about duffy.
But you believe it's a duppy there?
I tell you.
You believe it's a duppy there?
I don't know, but I'm afraid. I'm going to tell you Friday. I don't know if duppy there, but I'm afraid.
You don't know if duppy there, but you're afraid.
People always tell me about it.
All right, then, baby, enough respect here.
All right.
You take care of yourself. Email, morning Raga. One time I started talking to this guy, and I told him I was a virgin when I really wasn't. Anyways, time went by and we fell in love. When it was time for us to do our thing, Raga, me did so afraid, me just tie it up, my thing, and ball and make pure nice when we do it, Raga. The poor boy did so frightened him have to stop and tell me sorry. Upon this day, me and him still there and kill him dead and him take my virginity. I saw it go when you have the uku, Raga, the uku we tie.
Yeah, Raga.
Wow.
Yeah, morning. Boy, that kind of a big can, you know. Matter of fact, people shouldn't go to prison for them can, you know.
Send on.
Boy, because you don't know what security work me do still, and you don't know people come and say, be things to me more time.
What kind of work you do?
Security, man.
I was saying.
Yeah, I want to tell a woman come from the bloke style, I mean, she just start talk up the things. She say, boy, some man can. So me I say, mean some man can. She say, boy, she want a room. And after just call the man, thing, and then say, if you come over, call the man, and say, if you come over and thing. Forget the room. She go in the room. Backside where about 3 more months, she go back up on in and then start her road proper in her.
You serious?
Yeah, I said John O'Beers.
So hold on. How she get that link if you go talk to them about the room?
But I don't know. I don't know if I number she get up to find on the paper or what, but she look about her room. And then now she said, boy, our people come from foreign because I'm never there and thing. And I said, boy, I want him sort out now. But she said, boy, no, because I don't know the trauma she go through.
Oh, so she a look a room.
She don't have no conscience.
He might tell her she don't have no conscience. He's being insensitive to what she went through.
I mean, you know, him not really have no compassion, no love feeling.
Me know it kind of rough on him. He might come from foreign, him not there so long and him whatever and come. But she a go through a thing. So wait, she a look room for rent.
Yeah.
So she get a link for call somebody and them say come look on the room.
Yeah.
And when she go there for look on the room, 3 more man there. And then the 4 of them battery are.
Yeah.
But you know, we tell women all the time, when you go do them something there, bring 2 friends with you.
I said thing me I said.
Don't go no place alone. See the little 50 poor little 15-year-old girl. I must have 14 or 15. no know her must mother.
Yeah.
And she put out thing, I search her mother upon the internet.
I
And one boy said,
Raga.
come and you know the mother. And the little girl go over there. And then batch the girl whole day. Must about 7 or 9 of them batch the girl whole day.
But you want, sometimes I wonder still, like, people really listen to all their program and the other programs, you know, for notice.
Ladies, you not care if you not gonna look work. You not care if you not gonna look room. You not care if you not gonna look on a car for buy. Don't go alone. Don't be fool and think a day. So you're gonna see for them something that don't go alone. You have some look a nasty pop down boy out there. There's a text set from people out there, ladies don't go alone. And then, no, don't listen to your radio, Papa. Don't listen to your radio.
Yeah, so, Raga, me I say, want you big up Anatown, Denhamtown, and them places.
Every time, Papa.
So we have the place locked, we have a station locked, is it?
Cool, no, King.
Yeah,
man, all West Kingston crew, man, all Anatown, Denhamtown crew. And Percy Street, where me used to live, large up on the cell, Percy Street, right there so between Regent Street and Wellington Street and Bradley and Massive, North Street crew, the whole on the large up Anatown, it goes so. Take care.
Yeah, man.
No, for real, a serious thing, ladies. Trust me, man, you don't go to place them alone, go look for no room or nothing, no care how convincing and bossy the voice them sound and thing. You have some man that's a go on some little arms out there and when I rate them, right? And the broadcast commission say, if I watch them, I say, if I say nothing for incite violence and whatever, it's illegal to do that. And you don't know our policy as we run. We look at things a certain way, but we want a big respect to the broadcast commission and thing. But for real, I don't have no patience to them, man, there. Right? I'm not telling no lie. When you hear certain things go down more time, and you know say it for a fact, because, sometimes rumors start against people, and somebody go say this, and before you know it, mob justice, and nothing no go so. You understand? That is why we can't encourage people to take the line of them one hand. But John, you want to rate certain things. Imagine a woman look a room for go rent and whatever and this and that. And the four look a careless arms house, man, and go and rape off the woman. Oh, I tell you, All right?
All right, Raga, I love you.
Yeah, man. And everything, Chris?
Yeah, man, everything.
So where you are going? Where you there right now?
Duane Park.
Duane Park? I work you there at home?
I'm at work now.
Yeah, at work. Okay.
Yep.
And everything cool?
Yeah, man, everything
you
all right.
Yourself? Eh?
Everything all right. You good?
Yeah, man. What's like a really exciting thing happened to you lately?
I cannot tell you that on the air.
You can't tell me that.
But what I would say, though, is
fix
better
it up
some of them girls, I make the duff of them, make them go on. Because to all the man them are going now. Some of them don't really make it.
So, so the man them not really make it. So
no, them just loaded up for them.
This are cheap. This are cheap when they take the dope of them.
Yeah.
So, what you mean the man them not make it? What the man them are going?
No, sometimes them come with them only for talk, and them can this and them can that.
Uh-huh.
And when you really check it out, nothing now go on for them. Them come in like dopey.
So you have a problem with that, with men who don't really come through with what them say about themselves?
Yeah.
So what are some of the more common things man I say about themselves where them really not come through with?
No, Raga, you see, me not really, I'm not very politically correct in some. You just say something X-rated, so I can't even talk.
All right, no, we not really, but just try, do it for me, do it for Uncle Raga, baby. Just fix it up.
No, sometimes I talk to somebody and meet them and them tell you how them going to this and them going to that, and at the end of the day, some things not work and not work. Boy, I don't know.
Oh, yeah, when you say so you have some man who run up them mountain when things will go down.
Nothing behind it.
Them don't even not come up now, right?
Nothing behind it, like a dopey.
Like a dopey, and
yeah.
what some of them, they can't stay long enough to.
They can't stay none at all.
They can't stay none at, what you mean none at all? They must can't stay a little bit.
None at all.
No, what you mean none at all?
Young boy, none at all, Ragashanti.
What you saying? A lot of these young men you talk about, right?
Young men.
And them can't even come?
Nothing.
The young men having problems come up with it? You serious?
Yes.
Then that's supposed to be depressing when you did and you're all prep and ready and you're warm for the thing.
No, it's very upsetting, so that's why you just load them, make them go on.
No, man. But is this a chronic problem? Or something happen more than once where you say more and more man I run up them out and still can't come through?
Well, I haven't been around that much, but it has happened a few times.
A few times,
so what I do now is I just listen to some good music. You know, kind of the music that root like.
Are you a strong person? Because a lot of you're the man that run at them up, but sometimes them just need a little, caring and thing. Are you a strong personality woman who just talk out the things them there, sir?
Yes, I tell them straight.
No, but sometimes man can't angle that, and it demoralize them, and then, that's why certain things can't feel.
So if you don't point it out to them, then they're going to keep on going along and disappointing other people.
Oh, see.
So just show them that they come home.
When I say somebody try help out a situation.
No, I can't work with it.
You can't do that?
No.
You can't do that?
Nope.
Sometimes you can't just go and coax in a little thing
No,
and
no.
massage down
When
a
I
little
need
thing.
it, I need it, and I need it now.
So when you need it, you must just get it.
Yes.
So you want a woman who love it and love it strong and proper.
Straight.
And thing. Are you what is more important to you? Romance or strong and proper?
Romance and then strong and proper.
Oh, so the two of them important.
Them have to work together.
So the romance must be there first, and
Yes,
then the starting
yes.
out must just come correct.
Yes, yes.
All right. And you have a little issue right there. So then why we don't know. Boy, I'm just concerned for you.
So what you think, Raga?
Eh?
What you think more
I
important?
am very what is more no, I'm just curious to you what your situation is. But I'm just very concerned with
But all female listeners will want to hear what you want.
what me want.
Yes.
Well, I will say this without apology. Me, I'm not a superhuman being, but I can't take care of myself, I ain't do my thing, I do my thing. Can I get a hallelujah?
Hallelujah.
That's right. But me not gonna show off and brag or anything. I just know my speed that, Me, but
You see, as long as you try.
Yeah. Okay. But I can't see what you say. If you probably would be more receptive to work with a man who humble and thing. But to the man, them a hype. If you say the man, them a hype, and then them not come
Not
true.
behind it, and then you see them the next day, you have to face them, and it's just true.
Disappointment, done.
Upset, man.
Okay. But you have had some good ones, though.
No, right now I'm in a very good relationship, and I must say my man is blessed.
Okay. Blessed in proportion or in skill?
No, blessed in all areas.
In all areas.
Proportionally,
Okay.
vertically, horizontally.
Well, we're just happy for you. As long as that is the case right there now, we just want to know that you're satisfied and things are going
Yeah,
quite
man,
well.
everything all right, but love your Ragashanti.
Okay, baby. You
All
take care of
right,
yourself.
take care.
Yeah? Respect, man. Next caller, top of the morning to you. Hello.
You know, so my phone cut off, though.
Your phone not cut off. Your phone not cut off, here?
Ah, my phone cut off.
No, it not cut off.
Raga!
What's up?
Wagalang! Me think you don't remember me.
No, man, remember you the pan here. We just see that little business about who lay down pan bed and wallet and take our wallet. We get the source. We get the source. Whoever you talk to, man, I tell you. We get the source. You have to talk up things to me right, Yo.
Hey, what?
Hold on. You see, any you going to listen to radio, we have to tired for tell you, though. You cannot listen. All right, then. So why I go down,
Me there.
Yeah.
Me went, yes, so with me I listen about the condom,
Yeah.
Me have one can for you, man, because me say, me sister can want some people already.
Uh-huh.
The people, they love Obia.
Yeah, why you not talk? You not flow. Something that distract you.
I know what I'm my old niece, man.
No, but okay, focus. Since we're up on the radio and time,
right.
yeah? Mm-hmm.
Me have one sister, man, they have one some friend, and they love science.
Uh-huh.
They love Obia.
Uh-huh.
So, they go somewhere, so I'm sitting last round them.
Uh-huh.
But they came to say a thief, then thiefy.
Uh-huh.
A passport,
Uh-huh.
So, them, they tell the people a thief passport and I rig them and then we are there.
Uh-huh.
So, he say, no, which I think they can't go and get back the passport and then left out early the man and I go and plan with the man and tell the man, say, XYZ I come.
Uh-huh.
And then last passport and ray. And car then go the other man in.
Uh-huh.
And the man tell them everything I wish back the passport there and if you go back ferry. Rather no go so.
Oh.
And then the following day no he go back go collect fair money. Fair cut out of the money.
But okay. I want to look a bit confusing. But enough Obia man can out there then.
Yes.
I was saying. So what's somebody in the back gonna tell if you tell me the one.
Yes, man, take it.
Yeah.
But me your talk. Here, Raga.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Where I say talk to me.
DNT this,
Who?
DNT, Cheryl niece from downtown.
What DNT?
Young granny niece.
Cool.
Yes, me did have a man,
Uh-huh.
Every time I'm jealous of my bad. So every time I go out, if him see anybody attack to me, I barely me get when I come home.
If him see anybody attack to him, give a beer lick when you go. Like what kind of lick?
Hold
on, like what kind of lick? Like
be a beat up lick man, bust up mouth and mash up furniture and beer things.
Anytime him say man attack to you?
Yes.
And you still there with him, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So one night now me and him got a big stage show and I youth go look for me and say, baby, you don't know what happened. You look good enough, you need to there with them. Murderer there. Them feel offended. So every minute him come and him whisper and me say, girl, I go and beat up your this and that when you go home. So everybody I say, and a couple of live love in the dance, see? You see when me near for reach home, you know what son me pull off on him?
What you do?
Him stop for peace. I'm just push my finger them down my throat and start vomit because some me miss the beat in the morning there.
Okay.
I did have another big man when I deal with him. Him tight, you know, but him always want somebody when him come.
Right. So him not like
let
up.
He ask him for shoes polish for the children, them him no want give me. So me have another can artist for me just like say, listen, go on the bed. Anytime him take off him pants, you go take away everything where in it.
Yeah.
And she goes to bam, she grab the wallet. And she come out back from under the bed. Say she show me no move, him can't know say me. When him reach a White River, him call me. Then say you take out my wallet. Me say she take out your wallet and me don't move off of the bed. You see me mash up.
Oh.
You understand?
Oh.
Me dash you him NIS, him TRN, and him license. So you see sometimes someone a go at them can't general you. Well, them don't know man plan but woman thing.
Man plan but woman thing.
Yeah, because if you're a man, if you plan something, if you plan it for a week, but by you ask me to snap the finger and it come up same time.
So wait, so you make sure say when him come you in at the bed?
Yes.
So and when him done, and him put on him pants over so?
Yeah,
and then him
another dub about myself.
Hold on, and then him just sat you out, but you not come off of the bed.
No, me just
and him get up and pick up back him pants.
Yeah.
And things. So him can't see you take it.
No, him can't.
That time your friend under the bed take it.
Yeah.
Well on, stay up on the line. My God. Stay up on the line. Don't move.
Don't move.
No man, we're gonna rinse the news. We'll come right back to you. We so come. The news are gonna run right here now. I think Reggie, that one them mad. Guy must say, but you know, see my wallet. Over see my wallet, you come in and you do your thing by the bed, you're gone. I won't take your wallet. No, the entire car, you take it for two. I don't know what happened to it. That's your NIS, that's your TRN, that's your license. All the money. The news are come, my God. All right. Back to what caller now. Yes.
DNT.
Yeah,
talk
on the things them DNT because the wallet one there with your friend under the bed pop with.
Bad.
So why else no? You say you didn't have an ex one for sure.
Yeah, I don't love an ex man, but when I love the man, I never have no pitney.
Yeah.
So I used to power with my aunt, them pitney and my niece. So anytime you want some money, I did say things, so look here, my son sick. It's all right, come pick up this. I'm tired of telling about my son.
Yeah.
I call long dead for my mother till my mother all dead for real. And so I just go around and take their money. Because a bar me used to run, you know. And then go on like them a canard. It's called Barra College, you understand?
Barra College, why you say that?
So just learn from this and come explore it on the road.
So enough little thing you learn in a bar, you know what the condom were run.
Alright, yeah, there's a little demo of me I figure you know.
Yeah.
One time a man come check me and said to me, baby, yeah, well. Me I sell panty and slip. But me I sell the drawers dearer and the slip cheaper, but the drawers I sell. Marks mama that do. Me say, baby, I want him that is just drop the drawers and raise the slip.
Okay. Oh, all right. all right. Okay, all right. Yeah, because we do in fact know that people are selling those things. That thing. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
So I mix up everyone. So I'm so start talking about people credit pop down and them not come to the culture.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, man, you're on here, you know.
Sorry about that Raga morning.
So you talk about people credit pop down and thing. You arrange.
No, me I say, I just go buy my credit and it done. I have to go buy $200 credit more because I have a can for tell you, Raga.
All right, baby, say now you can. But me here, you arrange me. We'll catch up on the phone line arrange.
No, Raga, we are friends for life. No, it's not. But I have a can for tell you.
All right, talk about the thing. I have a
friend. So I seen her at St. Elizabeth. To meet this boy down there.
Yeah.
She come back and she say, no, I have my man and I don't want him. So how may I get rid of him? So just tell him to have a friend from Bahamas, man, and give me his number. Call him. Tell him I come from Bahamas, but me I go about the Friday. So he must say, all right, nice to meet you. I'll tell him, promise I'll come go take him up to Bahamas and thing.
Who promised? What you say?
My friend give me his number.
Yeah.
So me tell him me come from Bahamas.
Yeah.
Which is not but me I go about the Friday.
Yeah.
I have a friend I come down 2 weeks time and I want him send up some stuff for me. Some fish and thing. So anyway, I go to Bahamas, which in a Mountain View, that the Bahamas there, you know. Call him and say, you know, so I reach up and say, my friend I come down 2 weeks. I can send some fish to me and say anything where you want, man. So what go come for it? So I say, the girl where they meet at St. Elizabeth, and my cousin, which is me, I go, Raga, when we go St. Elizabeth, what fish, breadfruit, the amount of things where I send for Nadine in the Bahamas. When not a Nadine, they are no Bahamas. I mean, you know, but I have some man.
So him not pick up your voice?
No, man, I just bust an accent on him.
Oh.
I just make a Bahamas accent on him.
Okay.
So when I go down there, I tell me, I really love your cousin, you know. And because she said she fat, which in me, we go down there slim.
Okay.
And so I carry me to his mother, and his mother said, hope your cousin has, you know, my son, you know, because he not have no luck with woman.
Oh, really?
But I'm the poor boy and I know so fool me. Rather him give me a bag with about 5 pounds and 50 for Nadine. Him give me 2 pounds for myself. And him give me 2 pounds for my cousin, my friend named Timisha.
So 9 pounds of fish you leave?
9 pounds of fish. He give me the big breadfruit them for sale for Nadine and the small one them for we sell. That time I me see him one deep down inside me and dead. Plus I make sure I call him few days before I go to my cousin say, if I come to something I'm not no fear. So I must end up giving back 2.5 for fear and everything on lunch. And I know I the same at the wrong somebody, the same somebody where I talk to. But private then number I call so she there Bahamas and she see him one come for the something them. Rather anyway, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Big up my mother-in-law. You forget her shout out to me and Miss Pansy. She listen to your show every day.
Big up Miss Pansy. Miss Pansy to watch nothing. You're the real woman out there. Which area Miss Pansy in? Pine Hill.
Yeah.
I want enough respect here.
Big up Trinityville in a St. Thomas and big up my husband up a camp.
Big up where Trinityville?
Yeah, in a St. Thomas.
In a St. Thomas.
Straight.
And big up your husband at camp.
Listen to you straight.
Every time enough respect. So why you say husband a soldier?
Yeah.
Big up all soldier for real. No watch nothing here.
No watch nothing, Raga. I love you straight. Raga, I listen to you straight. I mean, I'm a bed. See him when I do nothing for mine. But I hear something. But I do nothing for mine.
All right, baby. I just love and respect here. Yeah, man. Protection. Yeah, quick email. I want to expose a growing trend where housing rental agents put ads in the paper advertising housing and apartments for rent. They all charge a fee of $1,000 for registration. Somebody called about this before now. They invite you in office to discuss your preferred rental choice, then offer you a list of ideal places. Somehow, the places on the list always seem like the perfect place for you. However, your attempts to acquire the place will never materialize. That is because it's a huge scam. The numbers provided for the so-called ideal places are actually cell numbers for different employees at the agency. They put on an accent of some kind and tell you they're seeking a couple only, or a Christian only, or a single person only, whatever they think you're not. And this drags on for a month, which is when the $1,000 registration fee expires, or until the person seeking rental gets frustrated and gives up. This look like it a rinse out there. Because second person talk about this, you know. So you pay the $1,000 registration fee for the month, and them a give you so-called all these ideal places, but then them figure out your situation and give the number them for call for the place. And when you call for the place, them already know your situation, you know. Them tell you down, them people who answer the phone tell you, sir, them really want something that you are not. So if them say you're married, them will say, oh, we just want somebody single. If them say you're worldly and you go dance, and them say, no, them only want Christian. And whatever, and thing, and at the end, you have whatever people that play them $1,000 and lose them money. Wow, that's a cut. All right, here we know, quick email. Yes, Raga, very good show, my youth. I think you should play the Amazing Grace song every day. Whenever that song, if we can call it that, I'm all over the floor in laughter. Nice show, and I think Mr. Abrams should give you guys a pay increase. I think we should read this thing. And I think Mr. Abrams should give you guys a pay increase. I'm not so sure I'm reading this thing clearly. Let me see if I can figure out what it's saying again. It says, nice show, and I think Mr. Abrams should give you guys a pay increase. Probably if I look closer, I will figure out what exactly it's saying. Nice show, and I think Mr. Abrams should give you guys a pay increase. If you need a union, give me a line. That brother, yeah, easy. Him name Caesar. What you say, Bello? You never quite hear what that said a while ago. Wait, say, Bello, you want to hear what that? Yeah, let me see my cafe. It says, look, you, Bello, come right here and read what you said. Probably.
Glasses, no.
No, man, read right here. It's right here, sir.
It's
nice show.
And I think.
Mr. Abrams
should give you. No, but that's selfish. Come to me.
No, but him say you got away, man.
Okay, yeah.
Read it again. It's a nice show, and I think Mr. Abrams should give you guys a pay increase for reading an email here. But we figure it out. That's him I said, no. Yeah, nice show, and I think Mr. Abrams should give you guys a pay increase. Okay, all right. It's an interesting suggestion, man. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
Welcome, my brother.
Where is the king?
I'm there.
Yeah. Wait, how old is?
A crime stop.
Where is the crime stop?
I'm there with my family.
Yeah.
Yo.
Boy, woman must did can you already. You must get a can from woman already, don't you?
You know some most I can in me go with that still.
I crime stop. You're Ginal, you know. Nothing bad not happen to you, you know. Anything bad I do, you do it to people. Woman never can you yet crime stop.
Boy, no, I don't get them the opportunity today.
No, when I did younger, I get can. I not tell no lie. You never get can when you're just a boss.
No, man. My boss long time in the Raga.
Yeah, so I say when you're just a boss, you never get no can yet where you learn from.
No, I learn from other people's mistake.
Okay.
But you know, when I can, what I used to do still, some of the women, them.
Yeah.
Them walk around with strawberry Kool-Aid.
Don't go any further. Don't go any further. Don't go any further. Don't go. I will just say that's some walker with ketchup also.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Don't say not no more. Leave it alone, crime stop. Don't go there. People will understand. We say you have some woman who are run can, them are Ginal, them walk around with strawberry Kool-Aid and ketchup. Argument done right there, so we know the ketchup woman them out there, they're wicked. And sometimes, you know, you're just tempted to find out if it's true, you know. Because the other thing they run more than the ketchup, you know. Yeah, you know.
But
so.
you know what I understand. You see some man, they make things bad for man like me, you know, Raga.
Yeah, why?
Because them just make the woman, them can them left, right, and center. So if someone buck up on someone like me, you have said so.
Some old dog and drunk like away. Hey, some woman come at me with some can of me. I say, I want to that little baby. I don't even make them not too wise. I love when them do them thing because it intrigue me. I love to see how them play it out and how them go on. And so.
Yeah,
but some of them come with some can like some baby basic thing and it's almost some insulting to you. Can. Yeah, some insulting can where you just feel, so you really feel so you could have get by me with all them your foolishness, you know.
Like a school, I hope you go.
Yes, no, crime stop, you stop. No, we're not. No, we're not make that pass. You can't, don't do that. Don't disrespect school at hope. There's some people who are differently abled or so forth, and you cannot talk about school at hope like that. Okay, all right? Okay, Christ, you're too damn out of
But rather, you know what the biggest can miss around ever are the light bulb them.
The light bulb. You said that was a can?
What? Free light bulb will cost $276 million. Come on, the great.
I wickedest can that.
I wickedest can that.
I biggest can that.
Rate him.
No, that bad. But what may I say still? What some of the condom you said woman are run out the right, you know?
Boy, most I condom you see some woman run upon some man. Woman what I know is all when they want the money and them way there. Them tell the man say boy, you know, I got doctor and doctor say I'm pregnant and them something. You know the regular everyday condom.
Yeah.
Just a regular condom.
But some of them, what may I say, some of them not have no sense. Some of them you just meet them and them again, you know? Them a run the can. Them would even take some time for you say, well, we are friends, so there's something invested there, you know?
Rather,
and them come with some elaborate something and you say, well, then they take it for fool, isn't it?
I'll tell you what I condom I use still.
What you use?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I'm a girl now.
Yeah.
In the past, We have to emphasize why in the past, because certain people are listen, and them have a habit when we don't talk for Raga, them call me
Then
right
call you
away.
right away. What did I say about so-and-so? What you really mean by that? Big up Crime Stop wifey. yeah,
So,
go on.
In the past,
yeah.
In my former
This is
I've
in the
been a
past?
player.
What you're about to say is in the past?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're about to say is in the past.
In the past.
Okay, what you're about to say is in the
more.
past. Continue, yes, sir.
Yeah. Like, we were Boca girls, and you start looking thing, and then one I think would turn me off, or in the first thing, she said, boy, me need that money for do this and that. I said, really? How much you need? And she quote a figure. I'm sorry, no worry yourself, man. By Friday, me lend one of my brethren some money and things, so I'm supposed to repay me by Friday, I call her Monday, and we make sure that between Monday and Thursday, make sure that we get through. You understand? So, when Friday come.
All right, hear that one. Let me give you one of my in the past. Right? This is in the past. Did we just say in the past?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is in the past. Okay. Me did have a problem one time, like it's on the come on or whatever. Because you do your little work for reach a point there. And then when the person, me did have a problem when things done, them a draw a pillar and want to get mushy and spend one long time and want to stay over and them something there. Right? So we didn't have that little issue there, We couldn't have no patience feet, I think. So here I look at car we used to run though. I used to tell my friend them exactly when for call, Like what time them for call. But you hear the plan now. When you just move around, you just tell the person, say, let's touch a speakerphone every my car. Because you know when the call are coming down. You say the call. And we used to have a virgin named Malcolm, him there Canada, Malcolm probably listen. And the next virgin from Africa named Tom. And them is up to it. So Tom will call and say, come and say, Kingsley? I will say, yeah, hold on. Devon just got in an accident, Because Tom have an African accent, I will say, for real? I'm saying, my girl, put her clothes quick. But and I like me, I do something about it. I just never like the, it done. Because it goes sometimes when certain things done, at that time, them want, so you really like me? And now them, them look at things there.
I don't understand, Raka. Why when them done, them feel so you want to have one long, lengthy conversation?
Yeah. No, well, come on, Crime Stop. There's a thing called foreplay, then there's play, and there's afterplay. Yeah. And afterplay. Let me tell you something. You want a woman love you, you trust me for that one here. You want a woman love you, you just be the sweetest, kindest, most sensitive person to her when things done.
Yeah, man, I do that,
What?
But that part I can. I'm not really interested, but, you have to play along. That is in the past.
That was in the past, right? That was in the past. In the past. All right, Crime Stuff. We're let go here. Yeah, man. Enough respect, man. Yeah, well, I'm really good. Here we go to the phone line. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, morning.
Good morning.
First time on your program.
Welcome to the family, sweetheart.
Oh, thanks. I think I'm going to carry my mother to the doctor one of them morning,
Why?
Because she don't listen to your program. Because for 85, I think she laughing too much. Man, yeah, my mother in stitches, man. I introduced her to the program. Mama, listen to this now. And man, she don't stop listening to your program every morning.
All right.
Where him come from, Mr. Mama, the real Jamaican thing there.
Y'all see it, the real Jamaican talk show.
Recently, I found out that my daughter in fifth farm has been conning me all along. Then, I was away for a while. Our grandmother was away too, and a couple family members.
Yeah.
And every time I send home the school fee, Mommy, the school fee. I didn't realize till the other day I was talking to the grandmother. And I heard her mention that she give school fee and thing. Discussion you talk about back in the days.
Yeah.
Then I realize I sending home the school fee, grandmother sending home the school fee, and another uncle sending home the school fee. From when that I go on?
You're serious?
Yes. So,
hold on. And how old is your daughter?
At that time, she was in about 4th to 5th farm. Now, graduate, get her degree and thing and teaching.
Okay.
So I said to her, but wait, how much people used to get the school fee? Nothing, no go, and she would have got off of the class. She been calling me all this time.
All this time?
All this time from, I think, about 4th to 5th farm.
And it's interesting because that is a pattern in the conning, where, from women where is like for one thing, you have several people paying for one thing. That's a regular. Is a regular.
That spilled over then when she become an adult. You know, you can imagine how much people get canned same way. Man.
Are you pay the school fee for university?
Well, you know, when she reach university after she leave other college, I said, listen, you're on your own right there, so you know, yeah, that's okay.
That's
but
okay.
Because you know, forget it.
That's right.
Can you imagine?
She have about 5 people that play the one fee.
Me, I tell you. Then when you go to the father and say, wait, did you know about it? He said, John, she never used to get none from me because you know she get it from you, his mother, and other family members. Then the funniest thing, everybody there in a different place, you know.
Oh.
One day over so.
But that is important for the can because we not relate to each other.
That me I tell you, me the one part of the world and grandmother they in New York and the father they somewhere. So can you imagine how much school fees she get?
You see it?
From 4th farm to 5th farm.
Interesting.
And college too.
You're
so
interesting.
We just left her up on her own UA.
So she can survive. And
but
she get her school fee.
Get her degree and well on her way. So me just try and show say, boy, picnic can parents.
No man, some of the biggest con of them are picnic them. You ever see picnic work one parent against the other parent?
Oh, sure.
Them bad panic, man.
I tell you, man. Especially when the parents are not in one place.
Yeah. Me say picnic want something I know so them feel laugh when them go to them mother and cry when they go to them father. And just do it automatic.
Man.
Automatic.
Children are not old, man. You just have to be very careful of them. And then the thing, you know, you usually go through that, so when them come with it, you just laugh.
You laugh.
I tell you, but she welcomed me, man, because I know that she was getting the school fee, because you know you are the single parent, and you said, sure, you have to do it because you want your child to come out to something good. But just the other day, I found out that the grandmother was sending home the school fee too.
All right. Anyway, we're going to chat up to some other people here. Yeah, and you take care, man. Yeah, man. Enough respect. I'm enough respect to your mother. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, please turn off your radio.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello, Miss Thelma.
Good morning, Mr. Shanti.
Good morning, Miss Thelma.
And good morning, Sister Ruth.
All right.
First, Mr. Shanti.
Yes?
First of all, I must tell you that you see yesterday morning when you asked Reggie about what he is drinking.
Yes.
And he said he was eating porridge.
Oats.
What porridge?
It wasn't porridge, but it was an oats drink.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, you know, so meanwhile he drinking it. It was the same thing I was having.
Oh, but it looked like you and Reggie have a connection.
A connection?
Yes.
Yes, because you know I dearly love him, you know.
Right.
Whatever I eat also.
So wait, Miss Thelma, that sound like you keep man with me doing.
Hello?
But Miss Thelma, that sound like you have another boyfriend with me.
You know your stance, you know, but you know, love is a thing that spread, you know. Love don't settle one place. Don't it?
When you say love don't settle one place, it must
spread love.
Okay.
But you know, you is the original.
Okay, all right then,
Original.
All right, Misty.
And you know, see, you use large and extra large.
Yeah?
You don't know why?
Why, Mr.
Let me differentiate them for you. You is large in body. And you is worldwide known large at large.
Okay.
Because, you know, since morning, I got a call from Port Lauderdale. And they tell me how they enjoy your program. And how the lady say, oh, one man, she sit down listening to me telling you about the story with the police, no join the line. And how she laugh. So you can use worldwide known.
Okay, so big up all of the Fort Lauderdale crew then, yeah?
Yeah, man. So, my little grandson from the daddy want to talk to you, but we have to wait till you gone again. Well, 5 years old, and he want to give you a joke, you know.
All right.
But anyway, tomorrow morning, see, we try to get him on. Yeah.
All right, Miss Thelma.
And just because Sister Peggy too for me.
All right.
Sister Peggy's having phone trouble like myself, you know.
Okay, I see.
That's why she don't call, you know.
Right.
Phone line is down, something like that. I don't remember.
Okay.
But you'll call Mary and all, Sister and all the other rest, you know.
Every time, man. Ed girl, big up Mary, big up everybody out there. Spruce.
I hear Fraser's content, people them.
Every time, man. Fraser's content, enough respect, man.
But 1 minute, Sister Rota, come here 1 minute. Come here. The roots lady is right here.
The roots lady?
Yes.
Okay.
Come here, quick man.
All right, right.
Just talk, you can't see a lot. Just talk, just hello to brother.
Okay.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Raga.
Good morning. And what is your name now, darling?
My name is Rotam.
Rotam.
Yes, Rotam.
Rotam.
Yes.
And you sell roots?
Yes, sir.
You sell roots? And you sell Miss Telma roots?
Yes, sir. She buy from me.
How you make your roots them? How you make your roots them?
Buy all quality different type of roots.
Like what?
And put.
Like what you put in right now?
Bryal whisk.
Uh-huh.
Cheney root.
Uh-huh.
Strong back, man back.
Uh-huh.
And all quality, all are different.
Okay, and are you make it?
Yeah, man, I make it, man, and you use molasses when you make it.
Molasses?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Irish mash linseed.
Okay, and what roots do for you now? What roots do for you?
What roots do to you?
Yeah.
Strengthen your body.
It strengthen your body?
Yeah, man, when you drink it, you get strength.
Okay,
you
okay.
can remember, say that are the thing them from the hurt, them build your body.
Okay, okay. All right.
So, and me put cure in the cure.
What you put in
service. Cure, tell so many times.
Oh, you cure it.
When me boil now, me put it down for it fermented for a time until when me ready, me sell it.
So how long you ferment it for?
Well, all that 2 months and so.
Oh, so if you just make it sit down. I choose that some people bury it. Well, me know some people bury it.
No, me put it down in a me jug and put
me
drop in there and drop it and it stay there and cure with the molasses, everything.
Okay.
And after when you get it come strong.
Oh.
But me not throw rum in a me things like what people do. Do that for rum weak in you. Rum no bill you.
Rum no bill you?
No, me put things with a bill. Molasses and rum. A builder.
Molasses a builder?
Yeah, man. If you feel sick and your body weak, you can mix a spoon of molasses and a spoon of honey and drink.
Okay.
And it help you bring you back.
Yeah, man. That is when me take a morning time. Right. You know, a spoon of molasses and honey.
That's good for your body.
That's good for your body. All right.
Yes.
So, like when me take a spoon of molasses and a spoon of honey at morning time, that's good for my body?
Yeah, man, it's good for you. Night, when you go to bed at night, at that time, you have to take it, be working in your body. And man, when you wake up now, everything penetrates through your body.
But me not like eat a whole heap of sweet just before me go to bed.
You know, eat no whole heap of sweet, you know.
No, but you molasses and honey sweet. Me not like take sweet before me go to bed.
Honey, half spoon of honey and half spoon of molasses.
I make it soaky.
While you mix it, it comes strong.
All right then, Rotam. Nice talking to you.
Yes, nice talking to you.
Yeah, man. I take
on the radio all the while.
All right.
And you love laugh and all them things there. When you get good joke.
All right, Rotam. Take care, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right. Yo, a teacher just tell us, say, there was a situation where a parent come and ask her, how the student, or her daughter now bring home Saturday, or it go Saturday class homework. And, you know, how she not bring them, and the teacher said, but your daughter not in the class. And the parents say, what you talking about? My daughter has been in your class for the last 2 years. The teacher said, well, I've not seen that child in 2 years, so not sat the class. The mother nearly dropped down. Yeah, so them pick them when them around them can but sat the class and go see where all that the money they do for sat the class. Well, and turn on that for a second then. Quick.
Yeah, the pitney used to write out the notes for during the week in our separate book and carry it go and show our mother.
And said that the sat the class.
That's at the class notes. But the particular Saturday, she never do it.
Oh, so she missed one Saturday?
Right, so the mother come and ask about that the Saturday. What happened that Saturday?
What happened to that one Saturday?
Right.
And I saw it end up, I said, but the pitney never there for the
she
2.
Not in the class, none.
At all. And the mother said, but at 2 years now, she get to put the money for go sat the class. And then look a bit. You can con on them. May I tell you can't see them for early out. The one them who wear teeth out your chicken when you eat it Sunday daytime. You turn around and I'll go kill a mosquito and when you look your leg gone. I saw the early corner them show themselves, man.
That's about what my cousin Gin and me and do one time.
Yeah.
In my yard I water back my garden.
Yeah.
Same part I go on the back of my yard because I have some tenants wrong there. Because I see my left, you know, I go wrong there. My water, I see my everyone come around and call me. Auntie. Paul hang himself. Okay, so when I go on back of my yard and look for my breadfruit tree, the boy hang himself from there now. Hang himself from my breadfruit tree. And when I say, Lord Jesus, I'm going to take out his knife out of his pocket and cut the rope. And the boy dropped on the ground, you know. I'm say, Lord, got him dead. I'm look. I'm feel him pause. I'm look, I see him, like him a breathe and so. I'm run, go call somebody else to lift him up. I'm just spread out, so, go lift him up. Put him in the car. I'm put on a piece of driving now, time blow, I'm turn on light and nearly crash, go all the way, go to KPH. When we reach a KPH with him, the porter them come and say, one thing, I say, just hang himself. I said, the porter say, this is nice, go look boy, hang himself, what kind of problem I have for? Rush carry me in a casualty. And then with him and the doctor said, one thing, I'm saying, just hang himself, Lord, and him they call swell up to, when they walk tie. And them put him down on the bed, and the doctor examine him, and I see the doctor go for something. I see something and put on him nose. And I see him jump like. But him still now come to, jump like. And the doctor say, I shake him and say, one to you, wake up and I call him, John, one to you. And then go and make him can revive. And the doctor say, all right, I'm going to send him upstairs for the ward. To one next doctor, one Indian doctor. And when them carry him up there, and they come on back a little bit. So the doctor talked to him now and said, what happened in the life for a little boy like you want to hang yourself on? But this is a psychiatric problem, and moreover, we have to go and call the police because you are suicidal. So when I hear about police, he jump up. I said, doctor, I'm all right, man. I'm all right, doctor. I'm all right. That's what I mean, you're all right. I said, no, doctor, it's all right, man. I just somebody made a try fool. Imagine the boy and himself, maybe kill himself, can go to hospital and everything. When I take for a shout, him and his girlfriend have problem. And shout and ningy him. So him going to do that now, since them get the news, him and himself. Therefore, when him and she have anything again, she won't ningy him because she going to say, if anything, now him going to hang himself.
Okay.
You know the boy wicked?
Yeah, but you see, a lot of people make suicidal attempts. That is what that is the intention.
My problem is not him hanging himself, My problem is him hanging himself in my yard.
Yes.
We have a big, nice park long the fence hanging
what you say, have a big, nice park where what?
Where we live.
So
hanging himself in the
I don't the same for go.
Not the same
What you say, your problem is not him hanging himself, but hanging himself in your yard. Not in your yard.
Can you imagine?
Carry the rope down, sir.
And him can't go down there, sir.
All right. Enough respect here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, take care. Put the people them through all them stress and all them things there. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hi, good morning, Ragas.
Yeah?
First time on your program.
Okay, welcome to the family. We only have 2 minutes. Don't vex.
No problem. Anyway, you think woman can con man? Trust me, man can con woman.
Man can woman strong
what?
too. Tell me a good one. Tell me something where you know.
Was working at a bar. Some guys used to pass through.
Yeah.
They used to stop and spend some crazy money.
Yeah.
And when they were chicken or some big money.
Yeah.
So anyway, I start get familiar with them and him invite me to Kingston.
Anyway,
my dead fear me decide to travel with that day because I don't know me will get a big money.
Yeah.
Anyway, I reach Kingston, book in a hotel. Put it there. You don't know your bartender, you love talk or you hot and what you can do.
Yeah, quick here. We run out of time, so quick.
All
yeah.
right, decide to prove myself, so kill the man with winery that day, Raga.
So you give him the thing?
Yeah, kill him with winery.
All right.
Kill the winery.
Yeah.
Anyway, decide to drop me at the bus stop, so I'm going to stop at the ATM now.
Yeah.
Raga, the man go in there and come back out. Baby, the machine take what they can. Raga, I'm nearly dead. So what I want this guy.
So wait, so you don't kill him with the thing, you give him it good,
don't kill him, because I prove myself now, so I can back up my talk.
You see it? So you just sort him out properly.
How are you, man?
And then he go in there take out money. Him said the machine take away him card.
Go in there now, Mr. The man come back, baby. The machine gone with the card.
So no money for you?
No money.
Oh, sure.
The man say, all right, I'm going to send it to Western Union.
I'll
know.
I'll know. I'll know. Oh, sure.
Change him number.
Change him number. All right, baby, listen, we have a jet here.
All right, cool, Raga.
Yeah, man, no vex. All right, people, me a Lego right, you know. Hear me now. Remember now, IT and Fancy Cat there tomorrow host the show. You don't know, so the man that come in, the man that full of vibes and drama and thing. Someone to call in. Don't make them there on now. Call in and take care of them and nice them up and thing. Because them all prop up the thing, you see?